What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the selfie photo of a man wearing the normal shirt, and also I guess this is the mirror and the ring light. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into this one. As you can see, a half of him transformed into the skull, and also the normal body of him or the full body of him, and also the setting can be transformed into the gloomy and spooky Halloween vibes. How to create this picture? It is very easy, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it with the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to create this picture into your favorite AI photo editing, then you can go ahead, and I will also share you the prompt that I will use in this section. And of course, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the home page of this Google AI Studio. And the next step is I would like to click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, it seems like that this Google AI Studio has just have the update version. And after that, you can continue to upload the file. For example, this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and basically the prompt would be like this: transform this portrait into the Halloween theme, spooky and gloomy scene. Keep the original person's face and physical appearance. This is the output, and the lighting should be dark and eerie with a moody Halloween atmosphere, faint mist, and also the smoke, and also at the dim orange. This is the original picture, like this. And also the person should appear as if half human and half skull, and also the left or the right side of their face, and the body is skeletal, showing the realistic skull like this, and also bone texture, while the other half remains the original image wearing the same sweater. And this is the additional detail: add the subtle Halloween element in the background, for example like the shadows, and also candle, faint fog, and also a full moon glow, maintaining the cinematic and slightly horror aesthetic. So you can start to screenshot this prompt, and don't worry because I will also put this prompt into the description box, and you can also inform us that this prompt also worked for you guys. And after that, I will continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, this is actually the same prompt that I used before to create this image. However, if you feel like not really satisfied about the output, don't worry because you can still rerun or generate it by clicking this button, rerun this turn or this one. So this is the another output, and actually it's still good guys, and even I think this is the color version, I guess. So you can continue to download it, and you can post this picture for your purposes, let's say in the Instagram or in a TikTok and your favorite another social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.